The Waterdrop G3P800 reverse osmosis water filter system is a tankless water purification solution designed to provide clean drinking water with efficiency and ease. This system operates at an impressive capacity of up to 800 gallons per day, positioning itself as a suitable choice for households with higher water consumption needs. At first glance, the G3P800's sleek and modern design fits seamlessly into a variety of kitchen styles, making it an aesthetic addition to your home. Additionally, its compact build allows for installation in smaller spaces, eliminating the need for a bulky storage tank that is typical of many reverse osmosis systems. One of the standout features is the system's ability to work without a tank, which not only saves space but also provides immediate access to filtered water. The Waterdrop G3P800 employs a 5-stage filtration process. This begins with a pre-filter that removes larger particles and impurities from the water. Following this are activated carbon filters that help in the removal of chlorine, taste, and odor, ensuring that the water tastes as good as it is clean. The heart of the system is the reverse osmosis membrane, which is responsible for eliminating a wide range of contaminants. Finally, a post-carbon filter is utilized before the water is dispensed, further enhancing its clarity and taste. Using the G3P800 is relatively straightforward. Once installed, the system operates with minimal user intervention. Users can monitor the filter life through a convenient indicator, which alerts when it's time for a filter change. The system also features a smart design that prioritizes efficiency, which is especially advantageous in terms of water waste compared to traditional reverse osmosis systems. In summary, the Waterdrop G3P800 reverse osmosis water filter offers a modern, efficient solution for those seeking a reliable water purification system. With its tankless design, high capacity, and advanced filtration stages, it addresses the needs of households that require ample clean water without compromising on space or convenience. Overall, it presents itself as a practical choice for individuals looking to enhance their water quality in an efficient manner.